Let's solve a remainder problem. We want a number of cards between 100 and 110. If counted by threes, 2 are left over. If counted by fours, 1 is left over. First, let's translate the clues into equations. If we count by threes and 2 are left, that means the number is 3k plus 2. If we count by fours and 1 is left, that means the number is 4m plus 1. Now, we test numbers between 100 and 110. The choices are 101, 103, 106, 107, and 109. Let's check the first condition, remainder 2 when divided by 3. I'll mark the ones that work for the first rule. Now, we check the second condition, remainder 1 when divided by 4. We'll test the ones that passed the first rule. Let's start with 101. 101 divided by 4 leaves remainder 1. So it works. 107 divided by 4 leaves remainder 3. So it fails. Therefore, the only number that satisfies both conditions is 101. So the correct answer is choice A, 101.